Hi people. Oh, I got another ball. But this time, look, I got like some little scissors. So hopefully we can get through this pretty easily. Oh, look at that. Mr. Freddy's helping me. It's like, what are you doing, you crazy mother? Wow, look how easy that is now. Well, it's still not very easy, but it's much easier than trying to do it without the scissors. Freddy's like, what are you doing, mother? He's so funny. I'm opening my little ball, Freddy, so I can see what little accessories I got. Oh, he just left me. He's like, I want no parts in this. Okay, fine. Whatever, Freddy. Mommy still loves you. I can't believe he just, like, left me there. Like, okay, fine. Oh my god, even with scissors, this is still... Okay. Oh, we got it open. Let's see what we got. Okay. Crunchy snacks. Okay. I just got this bag the other day. What the hell? Man. What a ripoff. There he goes barking. Alright. I'm so mad now. Let's see what else we got. Can't believe... So basically, I got the same things as last time. The little cologne, the little coffees, the little hairbrush, and a little sticker. Well, that was quite disappointing, but hopefully next time we'll get some new things.